headlines for the day.
These days, Salman is having a field time with either Bollywood stars on board his television show Bigg Boss 9 or with the telestars on the show. With Salman as the fulcrum, the television controversial reality show also gets the best of Bhai. Recently in the last episode, we saw how he cracked it up with the Nagin of television Moni Roy. Moni Roy, the acclaimed television actress, is now in a teleserial Nagin. So when she came on the sets of Bigg Boss 9, she obviously gyrated to the Nagin dance and then really let her hair down with Sallu. Both of them imitated Prince and Nora and did a voiceover for their poolside conversation. It was hilarious, out of the world and so typically Salman. Salman is indeed doing a great job of anchoring the show, and we're not being modest when we say people are watching the show only because of him and his antics. Watch Salman and Moni Roy on Bigg Boss 9. Dubai is the favorite hotspot of all Bollywood stars. So when a comeback movie like Dilwale is launched here, obviously it's going to be a hit. Add to this fact that the stars too were present for the launch of the newest song in the Dilwale block, Tukur Tukur, and had a big crowd cheering for the stars. As Varun, Kriti, Kajol and SRK grooved to the song of the foot-tapping Tukur Tukur song, it was interesting to see the youthful Kajol looking ravishingly beautiful and giving a tough competition to the youngsters of Bollywood. SRK with his marvelous energy is always the spirit of vibrance, and we really love this team of Dilwale who is out to rock it up big time this December end. Set to clash with the other magnum opus Bajirao Mastani, it remains to be seen if the public wants their own Shehzada Rahul as their Dilwala or the Peshwa as their hearty fair henna. Dilwale team launches Tukur Tukur in Dubai. Salman Khan, the anchor of Bigg Boss 9, the social faux pas television controversial reality show, is known for its soaring TRPs and much watched quotient. This year, however, the organizers of the show realized that neither the contestants nor the show is working to their expectations. This was in fact also endorsed by Sallu on the show when Moni Roy appeared on it. Moni Roy, the Nagin heroine, stars in the serial Nagin, which is telecast just after Bigg Boss 9 and has more TRPs than Bigg Boss. Well, it could only be a miracle that could save the show now. But the organizers of Bigg Boss are still trying to introduce newer methods of making the show interesting. Let us see if their attempts of bringing in the wildcard entries are of any use. Till then, it's Salman Khan time. Alright, the year 2015 was indeed an eventful one with so many path-changing movies being made. The ones that swept us off our feet were certainly, and without a doubt, Piku and Bajrangi Bhaijaan for their Zara Hatke screenplay. Obviously, in the Big Star Entertainment Awards, we were not surprised to see Piku and Bhaijaan getting the Most Entertaining Actors Award for Salman, who has grossed more than 500 crores for Bollywood this year, and for Deepika, who has essayed vastly varied roles. The award is a perfect recognition for their talents. With the upcoming Sultan and Bajirao Mastani up for release, the awards only ensure fans realize that they are fanning up for the right actors, henna. As for the two actors, they took it gracefully amidst so many other popular icons like Amitabh Bachchan, Varun Dhawan, who were a part of the award function.